I'm here today to present the 420. It is a grow station that is fully equipped. It comes with the tent, 60 by 40. You've got a really strong canvas. It's an Oxford canvas. You use it for backpack and stuff like that. With a 90% reflective Mylar inside, which is really good. This canvas can hold 80% of all the radiation. So you've got a better climate control inside. The features now. You've got 100 watts, full spectrum. If you need to take one off, you can unplug it and put it there if you need, you see, to hold it. In this kit, you will get 2 ventilators with it, AC fans, so you can keep it for 50,000 hours. You will have the net if you want to make some scrogs. This is perfect if you want to make like 2 auto flowerings or plants. All the poles are Inox, so you won't get any rust. It is really strong. Obviously, you will have also in option the carbon filter, which is just here. And this box also have an extractor, which is thermoregulated. You've got it just on the side of it. As you can see, you've got 3 faders of it. You will have the minimum extraction, so you can choose how fast you want it to go all the time. You can set up the max you want, the max flow, so you've got 50 cubic meters for an hour, 100 or 150. And it is thermoregulated. So that means you can choose the temperature, and the extractor will start to work slowly by slowly when the temperature raises. If the temperature stops raising, the extractor will not go faster. It will only go to the maximum if the temperature goes too high, obviously. And a good thing on it, you've got only one plug, only one. Everything, all the cables are on only one driver. You don't need to have multi-plugs and stuff like that. Just one is enough. So on this tent, you will also have the intruder with the light baffle. I can show you. So with this, all the air will flow inside the grow box, but you will not get any light. So this is light proof. We also have the second door, so you can close it with a good magnet, and so you don't have to disturb your climate control. You can keep your plant and have a look without getting any disease or insects inside, which is actually very important. You don't see that everywhere, guys. And last but not the least, the controller. Really easy. You set up the starting time, what time you want. Of course, the time in the day, the duration. So it could be 12 hours, 16 hours, 18 hours. And obviously, you can dim it from 5% to 100%. So depending on the stage of your growth, it could be on germination, you will start at 10%. Until the end, where you will raise the 100%, you can choose it at any time. Today, we'll just show you our new products. It is a LED panel, really small. You've got 125 watts or also 250 watts. The 155 will be for 60 by 60 centimeter space, and the 250 watts, you can go to 90 by 90. It is a 3.1 micromol by second, which is a very good PPE. It is a full spectrum, enriched with 30% of 660 nanometers, which is a great length for flowering.